Push-ups are one of the best body weight exercises for building a strong upper body, but only if you do them correctly. If your form is wrong, you're not just wasting time, you're slowing your progress and increasing your risk of injury. And honestly, there's a high chance you're making at least one of these mistakes. First of all, looking up. This puts your neck and spine out of alignment and adds unnecessary strain. Instead, look down at a spot on the floor just in front of your hands to keep your head in line with your spine. Second, flaring your elbows out to the sides like a T. This places your shoulders in a weak position. Instead, keep your elbows slightly tucked around a 45-degree angle so your body forms an arrow shape from above. Third, letting your hips sag. This stresses your lower back and makes the exercise easier in the wrong way. Instead, tighten your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Fourth, rolling your shoulders forward. This reduces chest involvement and shifts the work to smaller muscles that fatigue quickly. Instead, keep your shoulders back and your body tight throughout the set. Fifth and last mistake, moving straight up and down. Push-ups are not meant to be purely vertical. To fully engage your chest, push slightly forward as you press up, as if you are pushing the floor away. Correct these 5 mistakes, and your push-ups will finally help you build strength instead of holding you back.